In our last video, we flew to Lisbon to collect a hidden barn find, a lost gull wing which was hidden away for decades. We had to put the body back on the chassis using an old cork tree. Now the car is transported back to Germany. We'll start the restoration process.
Hello! We arrived now on our beautiful polling in our main headquarters. Now we are bringing the car into the body shop, like the couching area, where we check the car and planning the next few steps. Now our rack is helping us in Portugal is arrived too. We prepare everything, lift off the body from the chassis and checking the conditions of the car. I remove now the last transport secure rings, so we can hang it up there on our rooftop, not as in Portugal on a tree. Wenn man draußen ist, muss man natürlich auch das Armaturenbrett Stück für Stück legen die Sitzwanne über die Seite hin. Now we start to disassembling the car again, because we have to stack it together for the transport. Now we're putting all the parts out, like the dashboard, and dismounting all the mounting points from the body to the chassis so we can lift it up again.
The wave that we broke apart and pulled you back into the sea, all the way down. Why'd it take all our life to explain that it's more beautiful when you're here? I remember the light when turned around and revealed all the truth, no escape. Going back.
Now we removed all of the parts we didn't need anymore, and we're prepared for the lift off.
Where goes the tide? Still in front of you.
Also du kommst bei mir rein hinten.
Say it like it is this time for me to hear. Suddenly you felt all alone again. Even in crowded rooms, all around friends say it. It's unbreakable through it all and more. Don't fret now, I'm not leaving you alone. Wanna leave you now or too late again.
Ja,
Well,
jetzt schieben wir das Chassis auf die Bühne.
headed out at dawn.
Viel abheben, oder?
Yeah, I shined my shoes, headed out at dawn. Ain't no place gonna hold me when the road keeps rolling on.
Now we remove the last parts of the body. We're disassembling the hood and the doors, checking the body totally, and then prepare everything for stripping off the paint.
Till the love ain't chained down, it just comes and drifts away. Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin.
Some hidden parts.
Saw the sun in the distance look like a burning coin. Lord, I don't need no preacher, just that dust road to join.
So that we don't have any problems with the body getting twisted by transportation to the paint stripper. We made a special rack who's support the car in this area here, like the normal doors, to keep it nice and straight and or in the condition it is.
Now I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. Yeah, I'm rolling through the valley, wind hums through my hair. You can tell my woman I'm gone and I ain't coming back.
Nee, der geht jetzt runter in die Werkstatt. So. Geht noch nicht ganz, gell? Gut. Now we start disassembling the rolling chassis. We start with dismounting the intercooler, the air filter, the engine, remove all the old electric wiring, also the fuel lines. Then we can check the chassis and control all the rest of the parts.
Why'd it take all our life to explain that it's more beautiful when you're here? I remember the light when it turned around and revealed all the truth, no escape. Point blank.
Now we removed all the parts from the chassis. We removed the axles, the engine, the gearbox, all the fuel pipes, all the rest of it. We stripped it, the whole thing down. We can now check the frame on our special frame jig, where you can see if the frame has the correct position and is not twisted or in any wrong conditions. We give our axles, engines and all the rest of the parts to our special departments in our company to restore them. Here you can see our rear axle from the 300SL. It belongs normally in there. You see the axle, it's not in a good condition. We have to check it totally and restore it.